everyone. If your person's name starts with ORACDSPEIGVAT, then this is the exactly same feelings and thoughts of your person. They are thinking about you currently. Okay, this is their current exact feelings and energy. If you want to book your personal reading, customized ritual, subliminal, affirmation, love spell, you can contact me through my email ID. For more details, you can check the description box. Okay, so at this point, your person is completely in a silent zone. Your person is going through a self realization time, actually. Actually, I'm getting like your person, you know, is going through some kind of karmic phase on their life. Could be some kind of family trigger, could be career related issues they are facing currently. At this point, this person going through a deep realization time. Okay, at this point, this person regret the every action, okay, they made in past, so this person is completely in a silent zone currently and in a hermit mode. Two major arcana. Definitely, this person is going through an awakening. Okay, for some of you, this is a twin flame and soulmate relationship I'm getting here. Okay, and this person is going through sudden realization. This person realized like they don't want to lose you because this person realize you are the one in their life. Okay, actually this person realize you are their soulmate. They feel a soul bond connection with you. Okay, so at this point I'm getting this person is completely in a silent zone. Okay, and they just observe everything. They regret whatever their past action. Okay, wow, again major arcana. So something major breakthrough that is coming in your relationship with that person, I can see here. Okay, this person had the courage, had the strength to take a stand for this relationship. So wow, this is actually very positive energy. So I'm getting a Virgo energy and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy is very very strong here, and Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. Okay, King of Swords. Yes, this person want to give you the clarity. Actually this person is now ready to take action. Okay, maybe in past this person you know manipulated by someone else, could be third party, could be family. Okay, they just moved on from you, they broke up with you, but at this point they realized they was wrong. Okay, they took a very bad decision. That's why at this point they regret their decision. At this point this person is mentally, physically, emotionally ready. They had the strength to come back to you and take the responsibility of their past action. So I'm getting a forgiveness is coming from this person very very soon. Okay, so whenever you find this, next 8 to 12 days is very very significant. Or I'm getting like 18, 10, 12, 9, 19. This could be some significant dates or a number, could be birth date or month or important date. Actually I'm getting here. Okay, yes, again major arcana. Definitely this person has the courage and they are on their highest potential currently. Okay, so at this point this person is ready for a committed relationship. Okay, and if there was any kind of family agreement problem, it's now end. And I am also getting like here is the ego classes. So if the person is very egoistic, okay, but at this point this person realize like it was their false ego. Because of their ego they don't want to lose you. Okay, they can't afford this. So at this point this person really in deep down they want to come back to you. Basically I'm getting, let's see, um any message from this person. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, you are worthy of more love what I can give you. So yes, self-esteem issues basically. I have tried many times to hide my true feelings from you, but I can't. I feel my heart pain to hide my feelings. Wow. So basically, because of third party issues and situation blockages, this person try to move on from you, to forget about you. Okay, but they can't because whenever they try to hide their feelings, they feel heart pain. I am silent now. What I'm saying, this person is in a silent zone. But soon I contact you, my love. Thank you, angels, for confirming this. Give me some time. Within a month, I will reach out to you. Yes. So this is the confirm sign. So within a month, this person will definitely contact you. Okay. Claim this beautiful reading.